saw you, didn't care about the party. Wishing all of these people would just head out so we can talk. I could tell by the smile when you asked where to write your name on my wall. Wish I met you at 16, wish I could have taken you to prom.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Just got ready for the day. I am gonna go plant shopping today, and I thought I would take you guys along and we will see where this vlog takes us. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for new videos every Sunday, and I will see you guys in the next clip. So I definitely changed, but I'm gonna make chicken noodle soup really quickly before I have to go because it has to sit in the crock pot for like 8 hours. So I'm gonna do that really fast. I am such a weenie when it comes to onions. Okay, so I didn't show me cutting up the chicken because like ew. Okay, all the veggies are in. And this may seem like a lot, but we like garlic in this household, so. So that's probably good, and then I'm gonna give this a little mix and put the lid on. I really need to decide my outfit because I've changed like 3 times. I'm just at that stage where I hate all of my clothes and I want all new stuff, like all new stuff. For the life of me, I could not figure out what to wear today, so I'm just wearing like men's clothing. Off to go buy some plants. Don't know why it took me so long to get this together. How did that happen? About to pop in.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why?
I think I'm gonna go get some food. Haven't really filmed a lot because it's been kind of busy at the plant stores and the greenhouses. Everyone wants to come get their plants, can't blame them. I was planning on taking some pictures too, but that just did not happen, which is okay because I don't really like my outfit that much, even though I changed 30 times.
Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around.
So I just got back from numerous plant stores. I got a couple of things. I also got some arts and crafts. Enjoy my little plant / arts and crafts haul. First things first, I got a pothos plant. Apparently these are really easy to take care of, and she just looked so shiny and nice. Plant number 1, very excited. Oh no, there's a crack. I didn't see that.
I can't see it. Oh yeah, you got any hot glue?
Oh, I also went to World Market and I got a pair of earrings. Very cute. They're very little. Don't know if that is focusing, but you get the gist.
Got like monk Buddha vibes.
Yeah, I like them. And then from Michael's, I think, I got these 2 little rings, and I'm gonna use these to hang up I'm making like hanging plant baskets. And then I got some rope for bedroom activities.
Oh, okay.
No, not really. And then the moment you've all been waiting for, I got some dirt. You know, yeah, I got some dirt. I do need more pots though. I'm now realizing that I probably should have gotten like at least another pot, but I did get 1 pot, and it's this one, and I put this new plant in it too. Oh, what kind of plant is this? I don't know. Well, it's kind of already in the pot. So this, I think it's a spider plant, and I got this on sale, and I thought it was a really cute pattern. And then of course the plant, you know, that is the star of the show. Kind of went a little crazy on the plants today, but I'm not mad about it. I got this snake plant, which is so adorable. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Shout out to Lowe's. If you're gonna buy plants, buy them at Lowe's because they are cheaper there. Oh, I have one more plant that I need to show you that I'm very excited. It's called String of Bananas. They look like little bananas. So yeah, I got this String of Bananas plant and I thought it was really adorable. I might put this in my bathroom just because I loved that it just like hung down. And I am really nervous that I'm gonna kill all of these plants because I'm not the best plant mom, but I'm trying to be better. So we'll see. Maybe we'll name this one Curious George because it's bananas. And the other names are pending in my brain. Brian thinks that Bert is a good plant name. And I think that one fits the pothos. So maybe Bert for the pothos plant. Kind of looks like a bird. I don't know, what do you think? Bird? Bird. Bird. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make these little hanging plant holders with just these supplies later in this video. I think the chicken noodle soup is almost done, so that's pretty cool. So I think I'm gonna go eat. Catch you later. Later. Yum. How to make a plant holder, starring a very underqualified lady with a lot of extra time on her hands. All right, so we're going to be making some hanging plant holders today. I've never done this before, so it's brand new. First, you're going to uncoil that ghastly strand and then measure it out. Use a yoga mat for scale. Yeah, I'm really not sure why or how this worked, but extraordinarily, it measured out into 6 equal pieces, which is exactly what I needed. Next, you're going to want to secure that ring, but make sure he loves, respects, and cherishes you, and preferably has a trust fund. Once the bag and the ring is secured, you're going to want to string all of your ropes through. It should look something like that. Separate into 3 groupings of 4 and then do a box knot. As you can see, I'm sort of demonstrating it very badly with my meaty hands in the way, but I would watch a YouTube video on this because this took me way too long to learn. Like, way too long. It was kind of embarrassing. But once you've figured it out, you're going to want to tie 3 of those and make sure they're tied pretty tightly. Also make sure they're about the same length down the rope. Otherwise it'll kind of come out a little wonky, but I made 2 of these and they both came out a little wonky, but they still worked. Once you have something that looks like this, you're going to want to repeat the process lower down. And then once you have that, you are pretty much done. You just have to tie a knot, cut off the ends, and you're in good shape for your plant holder. And that's the finished product. I think it turned out pretty good. It's obviously not hanging where I'm gonna put it on a tripod, but I think it looks pretty good. And I just tied it off at the bottom. I'll probably like even these out, but I think I'm gonna leave some hanging down. Yay, I'm proud of myself. I'm not a weaver, so this is a big deal for me. So I'm gonna give Brian a haircut. These are my tools.
You don't look very calm.
I'm not. How do you feel right now?
I'm a little nervous.
Rightfully so. I kind of went off on this haircut and it looks really good. So I kind of have a cuter idea that I'm gonna do with my pillows. It's never been done before. Okay, it honestly doesn't look that good, but it's like we're at a hotel. Okay, so next I think I'm gonna hang this thing on this back wall. I might also go through Pinterest to see if I can find like some inspirational photos. I'm gonna make it kind of like my vision board. The only question is I might have to get like a few clips to like clip on the actual photos because, or maybe it's magnetized, but I don't have any magnets. But I want to get the photos printed at like Walmart or something because I want them to be glossy. Oh, positive affirmations. That's a good idea. I guess I could like design some myself, but I don't know. I don't feel like being that creative today. Okay, so it's really easy. I guess I can just upload the photos to Walmart's website and they have a 1-hour pickup. So I'm going to see how much it costs and maybe I'll just do this today. So I got a couple photos off Pinterest that I want, but I think I'm going to create my own on my iPad just for like specific ones. I want to do like a subscriber count goal too for the end of the year because your girl is trying to get monetized and I'm like halfway there almost. Kind of show you maybe like my little design process. My battery is about to die, but I am prepared. I got another battery so I wouldn't have to deal with this. So let's pop that. Let's pop it in there. Just kidding, I have to turn the camera off.
He has sunburned cheek but piece of pain, always making sounds in the silence. He knows how to deal with cracks.
Okay, this is the final sticker. I think it's pretty cute and I'm gonna put that on my vision board. Okay, now I'm gonna do my February calendar because the month is over. It is the 31st. photos are ready at Walmart, so I'm gonna go grab those. That was so quick. I ordered those maybe 10 minutes ago, so they must not be super busy. I'm just wearing leggings and the sweater, and I put my hair in a little low bun. Been kind of feeling the low buns lately. Also, whenever I walk out into my living room, I get so excited because I realize that I'm a mother of plants now, and they're just so beautiful. Very glad I wore my sunglasses because it's really sunny right now. So I went to the wrong Walmart. I don't know why I thought it was this one. Should have checked the address. Yeah. Ooh, the sun. I got all the way to the photo booth and the guy was like looking for my photos, and then I confirmed the address and it was not the address. So I'm gonna drive an extra like 20 minutes to go to this other Walmart. Oops, at least I can jam in the car some more though, not mad. Okay, I'm now at the correct Walmart. Here we are. Walmart number 2. I secured the photos at the correct Walmart finally, and I also got some 5-pound weight dumbbells for myself because I'm trying to get stronger, so yay. I just got home. I realized that I forgot to get the clips to actually hang the photos up, and I'm mad. I want to do it. I might go back to Walmart again. I might just go back and get them because I want them. Ah! Okay, finally going home, and I'll show you what I got from Walmart.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side.
Okay, so I'm worried about killing all these plants, right? My friend of mine showed me this app, and it's called Planta. Basically, you like can take a picture of your plant. I just took a picture of my plant, and it'll give you push notifications anytime you need to water it, or like give you instructions on how to take care of it. So I'm gonna go around and take pictures of the rest of my plant. Okay, it is a little bit late. I did get back from Walmart a little while ago. I don't think I ever updated you guys, but I showed you what I got. I think I am gonna do my vision board right now because what better time than the present?
Don't talk about me that way, I can't stand it. Dress me, at me, and kiss me one more time.
Okay, so now that my vision board is done, I think I'm gonna give you guys a little desk tour. I was gonna make this a full video, but I don't really think it warrants a full video. So I will show you around my brand new completed desk. I'm really excited. Like I said earlier in the video, I am gonna start working next week, so I will be working from home for the most part. So having a really awesome desk space that inspires me and keeps me motivated is something that's really gonna be important to me. So without further ado, I will show you guys my desk. All right, so when you walk into my room, my desk is the first thing that you're gonna see. Starting off with this plant. As you guys probably remember, I made this little plant holder in this video and hung up my pothos plant very recently, so that kind of draws the eye upward and gives it a little bit more depth. Next are these lights right here. They're a little dim right now just because the lights are on, but my mom actually gifted me those lights. I believe they are from TJ Maxx. They're really cute and they're just battery operated. Then this clock, I've had this for a long time. It's from Target. This is my calendar and I redo this every single month. Really helps me stay organized and on track. Here is my vision board, which I just kind of explained to you, so I won't go over in depth too much, but I think it turned out really cute. I love the colors and I'm really excited to look at it every day. Next is my actual desk. I got this desk at Office Max. On top of my desk I have my blue microphone. I got this on Amazon and it's really good for recording voiceovers. Super, super handy. And then I have this little pencil holder that I believe I got from Target. I think it's really cute. It goes with the black and white and wood aesthetic that I sort of have going on here. Then I have my bullet journal. This is basically my planner. And I actually am gonna start using it again. I was sort of slacking. I have my iPad that I was using earlier. This isn't always out, so yeah, it's not always out. It is pretty cracked though. And then my MacBook Air, where I do all my editing and soon to be doing all my work. And then I got this chair. So I got this chair the other day from TJ Maxx, and I think it is really cute. It's super comfortable and it swivels and it goes up and down. I love the white leather look, so this was definitely the chair for me. And then lastly, I have this nice little rug. It kind of separates the space. I love the colors and the pattern on here, and it just gives me something nice to set my feet on. I believe I got this rug from Home Goods. Don't quote me, it's been a while. And here's a little one last overview of the desk space. All right guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I hope that you enjoyed my little plant haul desk tour slash vision board video. This was kind of a lot. I had a lot of fun filming it though, and stay tuned for new videos every Sunday. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for new videos every Sunday. Did I say that already? Yes. And make sure to hit the bell notification so that you never miss an upload from me. I hope you guys liked this vibe. I really am excited to take care of my plants. I hope they don't die. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I knew when I saw you, didn't care about the party.